Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring actual throughput with a speed test and iPerf 3 benchmarks. Compare measured Mbps to your ISB plan and expected 100 Mbps or 1 Gbps. Inspect the Ethernet cable for visible cuts, kinks, or corrosion near connectors. Confirm link lights on both NIC and switch show 1 Gbps or 100 Mbps green indicators. Test the same port with a different laptop to isolate device issues. Note whether wireless devices show similar slowness for broader network context. Replace any suspect cable using Cat5e or Cat6 rated gear and keep runs under 100 meters. Swap the patch cable into a different router or switch port to rule out a bad port. Inspect RJ45 plugs for bent pins and reterminate or crimp if necessary. Update network interface drivers on the computer to the latest manufacturer release. Disable energy-efficient Ethernet in adapter settings to avoid intermittent speed reduction. Reboot networking equipment after hardware changes to clear states. Force both switch port and NIC to 1000 Mbps full duplex to detect duplex mismatch problems. Adjust the MTU to 1500 bytes and run iPerf 3 between two local machines to isolate LAN bottlenecks. Check for excessive retransmits or errors in interface statistics to identify faulty hardware. Review router or firewall co-S rules that could be throttling specific traffic types. Update firmware on modem, router, and switch to correct known performance bugs. If all else fails, document findings and contact ISB or vendor support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.